Hi, my name is Greg Calvo. I'm the product manager for Speedline Electrovert, wave soldering, reflow soldering, and cleaning product lines. And we're going to do a short video of the selective fluxing feature of the OA ServoJet fluxing system. And we have a glass plate that we're going to run through the machine, and each colored section represents where we're actually going to be starting and stopping the spray pattern with the bottom right hand side. And if we look at the setup, what we see is that we've got, when the board comes into the spray at 18 millimeters off of the edge of the board, we're going to turn the spray on, and then at 64 millimeters into the board, we're going to turn the spray off. Then at 136 millimeters into the spray, or across the board, we're going to turn the spray back on and then turn it back off at 242. And we're going to do this a total of 4 sprays on this particular glass plate. Some key features on the Fluxer setup, I'm just going to zoom in here on the software screen, that as we can see that the Fluxer, we've got the flux tank pressure, and that is recipe dependent. So that's the pressure that's coming into the tank, which is that's used for the atomization. If we go down to the bottom of the screen, we can see the atomizing air pressure. That's the actual pressure that's coming up around the spray orifice that's atomizing the actual spray nozzle. The stroke factor is the actual speed that the spray head traverses back and forth. So these are all set points that can be recipe dependent. So one board, depending upon what type of components and board thickness and selective pallets that you might be using, you can have one set of set points, and then you may have a bare board coming through and have a completely set of set points. And this flexibility is to make sure that you can maximize your flexing capability for each type of product that you have. Okay, we're feeding the glass plate into the conveyor system. This is the selective flexing feature. Seeing the spray pattern on the glass was just a little difficult by video, so we cut a piece of cardboard the exact same size as the glass, and once it has selective fluxed the bottom of the cardboard, we will hold it up, and hopefully we'll be able to see more of the pattern. So here we go. Here's the cardboard that's okay. So this is the cardboard after it's gone through. Okay, yes, there's a little dripping, but we can see that we have applied some selective flexing spray patterns on this piece of product to demonstrate the full feature of selective flexing.